Hello guys, let's start with another reorder paragraph question. So you have 2 minutes and try to solve it. Let's start with A. Firstly, we need to find the introduction sentence of the whole passage. Let's start A. However, the more negative the emotions of the character, the less likely the actor would report feelings that emotion on stage. However, at the beginning of A, however is given, but we can't start the introduction sentence with however because it is a connector which is used for contradiction of something. Now B, in a wonderful set of studies and subsequent book, Ali A. Koninen looked at the question of how much actors are aware of their performance as they perform it, and how much let the character take over. Maybe this is our introduction sentence, but we also have C and D. C found that positive emotions were often felt by the actors as they played those characters' emotions. C found, we don't know who is she here in the C. Then D, she looked Dutch actors to rate their own emotions and the emotions of the characters they were playing across a range of affective states from disgust and anxiety to tenderness and pleasure. At the beginning of D, C is again given, but we don't know who is she here. Firstly, we need to find who is she. We only left with B. Uh, in the B, in a wonderful set of studies, the subsequent book, Ali A. Koningen. It is a name of a person. This is looked to the question of how much actors are aware of their performance as they perform it. In C and D, C is given, it means C is a female, and Ali Ekonijan is a lady. She wanted to know how much actors are aware of their performance. She wanted to answer of this question. So then, firstly name of a person, then we need to start with C, but C is given in C and D both. And in the C found that. In the D, she asked. First is this A, then second. Why D is second? Because in the B she wanted to ask a question, and in the D she asked to the Dutch actor that how much they are aware of their performance. Then C. Why she is third? Because in the B she wanted to know the question of answer of the question how much actors are aware of their performance. In the D she asked to the Dutch actor, and in the C she got her answer. She found that positive emotions were often felt by actors as they played those characters' emotions. Then this is D. Now let's start again. In the B, there is a name of a person, Ellie Aconian. She wanted to know how much actors are aware of their performance. In the second, which is D, she asked to the Dutch actor that to find the answer of the question which is asked in the first. And then in the C, she found. C, it means she got the answer of her question. And in the then last is 4, which is A.